Hey there, my name is Saar Swartzon. I'm an attorney and founding partner at Cohn Swartzon. One of the things we get questioned about a lot is, why should I call an attorney right away? Why can't I just wait a few weeks or whatever? The problem is evidence. So sometimes you need to collect evidence right at the beginning of the case when it's fresh. Videos disappear quickly, people's memories fade quickly. Other evidence that you might need to obtain, vehicle inspections. If the vehicle's been fixed already, the other person's vehicle's been fixed already, it makes it difficult to obtain the evidence that we sometimes need for our cases. So that's why it's super important to call early so we can gather all the evidence to assist you in making the best claim on your case. One of the other reasons you want to call a law firm right away or call Cohn Swartzon right away is we want to make sure that there aren't any missteps by the client by not knowing what to do. Oftentimes people don't know what to do. They may call an insurance company and sign away their rights or give them a right to get all their medical records, all the things that we tell clients not to do. So the best thing to do is to call our firm, let us take care of all that, protect you, make sure you're not signing away rights, make sure that you're doing the right things with respect to protecting your claim and your interests, because insurance companies are only out for themselves.